Very good morning, students. Today's topic is IPA symbols. International Phonetic Alphabets. There are 20, 44 IPA symbols which are divided into vowels and consonants. 20 symbols are vowel and 24 are consonants. So please, when you watch this video, please note down these symbols and numbers and everything, so you will be able to understand very clearly and nicely, right? So IPA symbols are 44. Now I know that you are thinking that how these alphabets are different from regular English alphabets. Here today we are talking about English International Phonetics alphabets. So another question is how these 44 IPA symbols are different from 26 regular English alphabets. So these alphabets are different from these IPA alphabets. The basic difference between both the alphabets are that these alphabets are mainly made for English language. What? 26 letters or A, B, C, D, etc. But these 44 alphabets, international phonetic alphabets, are not letters like these are the symbols. And why it is required? Why 44 symbols are required? Because there is lot of confusion in English language. For example, enough and physics and found. So here you must have noticed GH is fur, PH is pronounced as fur, and this found is fur. So that how to decide that when GH will become fur sound, PH is become fur sound, when F is used for, why this spelling enough is not like this? Why physics cannot be written this way? So that's a question, and that is why when we study spellings we get confused where to use GH, where to use PH, where to use F, and so many examples are there. For example, this is sure, this is sip, and this is city, and this is cute. Sorry, this is cute. Confusion is sorry. City, cute, sugar, and sip. Any example we can take, right? So here confusion is C is pronounced as S. Here C is pronounced as K. Here S is pronounced as S or S, like this, C and S, and S is pronounced as S or S. So again, so much confusion when to decide which letter will represent S or S or K, and lot of confusion. And number of examples are there I can give you, by which we feel that we have to decide one letter or symbol for one sound, and that is why it is decided by phoneticians. Phoneticians, those who are expert in the scientific study of sound, and linguists, those who study scientific study, who do scientific study of language. So they came into one platform and they have decided one symbol for one sound. Then there will be no confusion. And then they found that in English, 44 symbols are required to write English words, and that is 44 symbols or sounds or alphabets are enough to write English language, and then there will be no confusion. And these sounds or symbols are used for spellings, pronunciation, etc. So here the same I am going to speak. But one more thing, let me tell you that these sounds are important thing. IPA symbols are always represented in bar. Listen carefully. This is the rule. Slanting bar means if you are writing B, you have to write this way. Second rule, IPA symbols are always represented with IPA symbols represented with small letters, and cursive writing or cursive symbols cannot be written inside the bar. I'm repeating. IPS symbols, the representation of IPS symbols always is done through slanting bar. Number 2, inside the bar we must use small letter, and no cursive writing or letters are allowed inside the bar. These are the rules for IPA symbols. So please take care. Now next point, that is IPA symbols, right? IPA symbols are 44 divided into vowels and consonants, 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Then these 20, listen carefully, these 20 have also been divided into monophthong and diphthong. Here I will write later, but I am telling you monophthong and diphthong. So what are the monophthong, diphthongs? Monophthongs and diphthongs. How many monophthongs are there? So there are 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Monophthongs are single symbol or one symbol, and diphthong means combination of two symbols. So please take care. Monophthongs means one symbol, right? And diphthong means two symbols. That is why it is called monophthongs, and these are the diphthongs, right? Now, how to remember these symbols? So I'm telling you, first of all, let me show you IPA symbols. These are the 24 I 44 IPA symbols. 40, these vowels are 20. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the 20 vowels. Now, here these are the consonants, and consonants are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So today our focus will be on consonants. We are going to study consonants, right? In this video, our focus will be on consonants, right? So let us start. But before proceeding, I will tell you that some of the symbols are as it is, which have been taken from 26 letters like P, B, T, D, K, G, right? F, V, S, Z, right? Then M, N, L, R, W, H. So how newlywards, right? These are the new symbols which you have to remember, right? These are the new symbols. So which we are going to study. Very simple. So I am telling you how can you remember these new symbols. So here, first of all, you can start with this first step. Write alphabets in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. This way you should write 5 words, and 26, this is the last one. This should be the first step. Now in second step, remove all vowels, right? So you just have to remove all vowels A, E, I, O, U, right? And then third step is very important. Now I'll be telling, listen carefully. B is accepted, which is accepted as it is, but C is cancelled. Why? Because C creates confusion. Sometimes C pronounced as sir in cinema, sometimes the same letter pronounced as cute in cute, K in cute, right? Sometimes combination of ch is pronounced as ch. Sometimes the same combination ch is pronounced and as sha, chauvinist, chauvinist, chauvinist. So lot of confusion, and that's why they have cancelled this sound. Now moving to acceptable, black, all black letters are the accepted sounds, right? But the representation of each sound or symbol is small letter without cursive. So these sounds have been accepted, but this is J is again cancelled. Why? Because we write ginger in j and j. We write jute, then j, and so many like examples where j creates confusion. So they have cancelled j. Now these black letters have been accepted. L, M, N. O is vowel. P is accepted. R, this way, R is accepted. Q they have cancelled. Why? Because Q sound creates confusion between K and Q. Q. So they have cancelled this sound. But they accepted R, S, T, U is vowel, V, W. Then they have cancelled X and Y. Why X and Y? X, X and S, X and K. Lot of confusion between these all sounds. That's why they have cancelled X sound. Why did they cancel Y sound? Because Y also creates confusion. That is, for example, Y said ear, and that is not year. That is not year. It's not year. It's ear. But this is also ear. And this Y is also, that is yet. So that yet. So same letter is pronounced as year, same letter is pronounced as E, confusion. And that's why they have cancelled or read letters. So this is very helpful technique by which you can remember. I'm repeating, all violet color are, first of all, remove all vowels A, E, I, O, U. Then all black color letters have been accepted as it is, but you should remember the representation, which is in small letter without cursive writing. And here all red letters have been cancelled. Now you will find that 16 letters have been accepted, or sound. Actually, our focus is on sound, more and more on sound and symbols. So please remember 16 sounds or letters or symbols, we can say, have been accepted as it is. But 5 letters or alphabets, 5 letters have been cancelled. 16th are acceptable, right? Now you will be able to understand. I will show you what are the accepted sound. B, P, T, D, K, G, F, V, S, Z, M, N, L, R, W, H. So what are new sound? W, H, right? And new sound, what are the new sound? I tell you, right? Wait a minute. Now new sound is, these are the new sounds. What are they? Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And 8. These are 8 new sounds you just have to remember. So how to remember? I tell you. This way. Here all orange circle sounds have been accepted as it is. Again, I am telling you, today we are talking about consonants. In next video we will learn vowels, but here, so please, I'm repeating, please remember, all red orange circle letters have been accepted as it is, which are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 letters you don't have to remember, you just have to remember that these all letters in a small representation is small letters, all have these letters have been accepted as it is because they have same sound or same correspondence between letter and sound. Now new 8 new letters you have to remember, I show you other new 8. These uh, green circle letters you have to remember. So now I tell you that how can you remember these new circle letters, right? What are they? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I tell you how can you remember all these 24 consonants. So please uh, wait a minute. Yeah, here you just remember with me, you just recall a. A is vowel, then b is accepted, c cancelled, then d, a b c d, e is vowel, f g h, I is vowel, h I, j is cancelled, h I j, k l m n, o is vowel, k l m n, k l m n o, p, q is cancelled, r s t, u is vowel, u, v, w, x and y are cancelled, and z. So here you can count again. These are the 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you don't have to remember. These are 16 you know very well. Now come to new sounds. So let me tell you that first sound is this one. This, okay, wait a minute. First sound is, yeah, this is the first sound. This is the first sound, which is sh. Example, ship. Example, ship. So phonetic transcription is ship. This is phonetic transcription. Ship. This is written. This is the sh. This sound is sh sound. Right? So this is ship. Right? Now next sound is, this is ch. This is ch sound. Chip. Example, chip. So phonetic transcription is, this is ch, e and p. Chip. This is written chip. You know, this is ch. So this is ch sound, and I, p, chip. And this is slanting bar, I told you already, right? So these are the two sounds we have learned, sh and ch. Sorry, sh and ch. Sh and ch. These are two sounds. Now next 6 sounds. This pair you can remember because this is sh and this is cha. Now next two sounds, these are this and this. This is th and this is the. Why? Because when we write this and when we write theory, confusion, because the same combination is pronounced as the, this, and same combination is pronounced as the. Again confusion. Thinking and though. Another example I'm giving. Thinking and though. Thinking and though. Now here the same combination is pronounced as the, thinking, and th is pronounced as the, though. Confusion. And that is why these new sounds or symbols, again sounds or symbols, have been introduced. This is and this is. This is the and this is the. So if you write, you have to write this, you can write, if you have to write theory, so you will write this way. Theory. Theory. Here don't get confused with this symbol. What is this? I tell you when I teach you vowel. Here your focus should be on this. This is theory. Theory. So this is the phonetic transcription of theory. Theory. This is the. And when you have to write this sound, you have to use, so this is this. And the phonetic transcription of this is the, and this. This is the phonetic transcription of the. This is the. Here th is pronounced as the. So the difference between the and the. This is the and this is the. This is theory, and this is this. This is the difference. Okay. So 4 sounds we have learned. 4 new sounds. What are they? Sh, ch, th, and the. Sh, ch, th, and the. Now next 4. So next is, that is y sound. This is not J, small j. It looks like a small j, but this is not J. This is y sound. So spelling yet. Suppose you have written yet, right? So that is yet. Yet and yeah, right? So how to write yet? This way. This is y sound. Yet. Yet. So this is not, don't get confused. This is not j. This is not j. This is y sound, right? So this sound is y, right? Okay. Now number of sounds we have learned. Please remember, sh, right, and ch, and th, and the, and ya. These sounds we have learned. Now next sound. Next sound is j and this j. These are the 2 flavors of j. This is judge, right? Spelling, this is judge. And why? Because confusion is between judge and ginger. Here j is pronounced as j, 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 and girl g. Lot of confusion. So they have given distinct sound symbols for distinct sounds. So here this jaw and this jaw. Here judge, suppose judge, this is written judge. You can check judge. This is Judge, judge. Why? Because this is the jaw and this sound is also jaw. Same pronunciation. Forget letters. What is written in spelling, forget. You should focus on the sound. So here jaw, and then I can't teach you here organs of speech, but I have to tell you, when you pronounce this jaw, judge wala jaw, then your middle part of the tongue touches to roof of the roof of the teeth ridge or oral part, which is coral chorus part of your roof of the upper teeth ridge. When it touches, then this sound produce judge. Means, suppose this is your upper part of your mouth, oral part, where this is chorus part. So when your middle part of the tongue touches to this part, then this sound produced, which is called jaw. Jaw. And then another, this jaw, when to use. This is the example of vision or pleasure. Pleasure. So when you speak vision or pleasure, your tongue twists like this. Vision. So there is whistling sound. There is your tongue twists like a leaf. When we twist the leaf, and then it is like a pipe, little pipe. Similarly, when you produce this sound, pleasure, so then your tongue is spread behind and makes a little whistling kind of sound and shape. Then this sound produce, that is j. ये नुक्ता लगा के जो j बोलते हैं हम, j whistling sound जैसा वैसा आता है. This is the example, vision and pleasure. So this j is produced. So till now we have seen ch, th, the, right, and y, and j and j, right. So these are the sound we have learned. One more is remaining. I'm telling you. Sh, ch, th, the, y, j, and j. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one is this sound. This is the sound of inga. Inga. Not right. This is gya. Sorry. This is gya. That inga sound is, I'm telling you. Inga sound. Inga is this one. Inga. Actually, this is the sound of ng. Right? Ng. This is the sound of combination of ng. Example, king. Example, sing. Example, thinking. I'm writing all these words. See, this is the combination of, this is the combination of ng. Example, king, sing, thinking. How to write? This is king, this is sing, right? Thinking, I'm writing this way, and this is ng, and this is thinking. How? Wait a minute. Ing, and this is thing. This is th. Think, thinking, thinking. Here you can see thinking. So this is key sound. Thinking. So when combination of ng sound when we speak, then we use these sounds. So these new letters you have remember. At last, let me tell you that sh, ch, th, the, y, j, j, right, and inga, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 sounds you have to remember along those 16 which have been accepted as it is. And this way you will be able to remember consonant sound very easily. New IPA symbols, right? English International Phonetic Alphabets, and not all 44 we have learned today. Today we have learned consonant, 24 consonants, in which 16 are acceptable, are accepted as it is, so then there is no problem. But new 8 sounds we have learned today, and rule is, I'm repeating, the rule is you should always, you have to represent any sound in this slanting bar, and there is no cursive writing inside the bar, and always we should always use small letter inside the letter or sound, because sometimes we use letter 16 letters, so always use small letters or small or one, that is, or sound, right. So these are the rules. And when we do any transcription, for example, if I have to write uh, I have to write thinking, for example, thinking, right. So this is called phonetic transcription, thinking. So this is called phonetic. Phonetic means sound, phone means sound. So phonetic, and transcription means encrypted something. Symbols, right? Using symbols and writing something is scription. So that is phonetic transcription. You have read when we do uh, in WhatsApp, there is a message that your message is encrypted, right. Cryption is writing. Crypted means that is changed into codes which is not decipherable to everyone, because your message is changed into the code form, and that is why which is not decipherable to anyone. So that is secret, that is encrypted to encrypted. What you have formed, your message is encrypted, not legible to anyone. This is the secrecy, or this is the confidential message which is sent to your sender, right. So sent to your receiver. So this is actually phonetic transcription, and very important part of linguistics. So this is the first step I have told you, and your feedbacks and suggestions are always very useful to me. So please write your views. At last, let me tell you once more, let me show you other slides. Like this is, today we have discussed these consonants, right. All green are new symbols, all orange are old letters which have been accepted, right? So this is something we have learned today, right? Thank you so much. God bless you.